Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a story in your TikTok. First of all, launch your TikTok app in your mobile device. After that, on the bottom you can see the plus icon, select that. And after, what you have to do is you can simply select the story on the bottom, which is post. Simply tap on the story. If you want to post a story right now, you can simply capture a video or the photo. And after that, what you have to do is you can also edit it on the right hand side. We can see a lots of options for text, stickers, filters. If you want any filters, you can choose just by tapping on one of the filters over here and go back if you prefer that. You can also choose any sounds what you want to put in your story. Over here there's a recommendation, but if you want to search it, on beside we can see the search icon as well, and you can discover more songs and search it. And when you do find it, you can just tap on one of the songs. If you want to adjust the volume, just tap on the volume on the bottom right corner, select on and tap on your story. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.